Hi everyone, it is time to do some practice for lesson 76, division with 3-digit numbers. I have these written up. I'm going to move this down so you can see it. Let's dive in. Our first number is 974 divided by 4. We know right now that the first digit, is 2, that we can divide by. 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract. We get 1. We bring down our 7. We know that 4 times 4 is 16, so 17 can be divided by 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. We subtract. We get 1. We bring down our 4. We know that 3 times 4 is 12. 14. So 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract, we get 2. Our remainder is 2. Our next one is $7.95 divided by 5. I think this is going to work because we've got it ending in 5. So that gives me kind of a heads up that this probably is going to be able to be divided evenly. But let's try it. We have $7.95. I'm going to make it into a division box. Here's our 5. 7 can go into 5 one time. 5 can go into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. Then we subtract. Oh, I'm going to put my decimal right here, by the way, right above it. 7 minus 5 is 2. I'm going to pull down my 9. 29 can be divided by 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. We subtract that. We subtract 29 minus 24 is 5. We pull down, 29 minus, no wonder. Hang on, friends. I'm looking at this and thinking, no. Let's take care of this. In my haste, I was jumping the gun. 5 times 5 is 25. We subtract and we get 4. That's where I was. I was thinking in my mind and going way too fast. So hopefully you're slowing it down a little too. Then we pull down our 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So $7.95 divided by 5 is, I'm going to write it right here, $1.59. Our next one is 1,512, big number, divided by 6. Let's go. We can't. 1 cannot be divided by 6. So we go to our next number, next digit. So we say 15. 6 can be divided by 15 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. We subtract, which is 3. We bring down our 1. 6 can go into 31. 31 can go into 6. 5 times 6 is 30. We subtract, we get 1. Oh, I'm seeing this is going to all be very evenly divided. 12 can be divided by 6 2 times. And we know that 2 times 6 is 12. We subtract, we have 0. It is evenly divided. 252 is our answer. And our final answer, our final problem is 50 divided by 8. I'm going to plot my decimal point right here before I start, just so I don't overlook it. Let's begin. I can't use 5, but I can work with 50. 50 divided by 8 is 6. 6 times 8 is, I have to think about this, 48. We subtract, that gives us 2, and we pull down our 0, and I'm going to 8. 20 can be divided by 8 2 times. Is that correct? Yes. We have 16. We subtract this. 20 minus 16 is 4. We bring down our 0. And I know that 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. We subtract, and everything is evenly divided. I'm going to put our dollar sign up at the top. If you're having issues with the division, stop, do it a couple of times, and then do it with me. I wish you well. Good luck on the homework.